golden retriever girl dancing in a sprinkler.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/AJAR.
Наши программы предлагают много языков. Пожалуйста, посмотрите suprememastertv.com/schedule и suprememastertv.com/AJAR.
Also, be sure to follow us on our socials: YouTube, Facebook, Getter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Nico, Pinterest, Reddit, Substack, Telegram, Threads, TikTok, Truth Social, Tumblr, VK and X, previously known as Twitter, in multiple languages by searching Supreme Master TV.
In an orchestra, percussion instruments provide rhythm and sometimes melody, adding variety to music. Playing these instruments is a great way for kids to explore sounds, develop coordination, and enjoy making music. Exploring rhythm and sound, percussion instruments for kids. Please continue watching to find out more.
My hope for the future and for the children of the future is that we will be able to live in harmony with our planet and in harmony with the animals, and cause as little destruction as possible and as little suffering as possible, so that we can all live in harmony together. Alan Knight, OBE vegetarian.
Day in Belarus, the warm-hearted Lipka Tatar people greet their friends with a big smile and say, "Jak tvoje správy?" That means, "How are you?" in Belarusian, one of the languages spoken in historic Lipka Tatar regions. My name is Magdalena. The Kai and Lipka Tatar people wish you a bright and joyful day. May your heart always shine in the light of the divine.
German Shepherd Boys Teddy Bear Fun Time.
Welcome to our show, Exploring Rhythm and Sound, Percussion Instruments for Kids. Today, we're going on a fantastic journey to explore the exciting world of percussion instruments. Have you ever banged on a drum, shaken a rattle, or clapped your hands? If so, you are playing a percussion instrument. Percussion instruments are the world's oldest type of musical instruments. Early humans made rhythm and music using simple objects like sticks or stones, or even by clapping their hands. That's the magic of percussion. Anyone can make music. Percussion instruments create sound when you hit, shake, or scrape them. They come in all shapes and sizes, produce an infinite variety of sounds, and are found in music all over the world. For kids, they're a fun way to learn rhythm, coordination, and creativity. People have been making percussion instruments for thousands of years using natural materials like stone, wood, and bronze. One of the oldest percussion instruments is the lithophone, which is a set of rocks used to make music. Drums are also very ancient instruments and were used in ceremonies and special events. Today, you can hear drums in rock bands, orchestras, and parades. Instruments like the xylophone, rattles, and the Chinese bianzhong and bianjing have been around for a long time. The bianzhong and bianjing were often used in royal ceremonies.
The most powerful daily prayer for any time and before meditation, which is the order from God, and Supreme Master Ching Hai shares with us by His blessed grace.
We humbly worship, praise, thank, obey, and love God Almighty, the Most High, the greatest, for world vegan, world peace, and our soul liberation. We thank, love, praise the only Son of God, who is the ultimate Master for our salvation. We follow the teaching of all the saints and sages. We thank, love, and praise them, who are the representatives of God for our spiritual elevation.
Over time, many percussion instruments were created and can be grouped into two types. Pitched percussion, like xylophones and pianos, can play melodies and tunes. Non-pitched percussion, like drums, make beats and rhythms. Pitched percussion instruments include the xylophone. Marimba. Vibraphone. Glockenspiel. Celesta, bell piano. And modern instruments like the steel pan and hand pan. The steel pan from Trinidad and Tobago has a bright, happy tone, while the hand pan creates a gentle, calming sound like a musical whisper.
Supreme Master TV Max. Maximize your blessings at home, work, and anywhere.
All of you should try to set up your telephone. You go onto the site called suprememastertv.com/max or Folia, Pocha, Livia. Then you can set up your computer or even your handy smartphone without SIM into 40 quadrillion screens of Supreme Master television. The dots are very, very small, but there are 40 quadrillion screens behind them. And if you have several no SIM phones set up on that, then it's a lot.
Other inventive ways to multiply the 40 quadrillion Supreme Master TV screens. When you go to www.suprememastertv.com/max, click the button that is for your device. One is for PC or Android phone or tablet. The other is for Apple iOS phone or tablet and any other device. Under that, you can click on the 1+3 max button to see one big screen of Supreme Master TV Live that you can watch and listen to as usual, together with 3 smaller screens of 40 quadrillion each. Enjoy our TV and the immense blessing at the same time. The offline button downloads the video to your device to keep the positive energy flowing without internet connection. The NX Max button shows many screens of 40 quadrillion for super multiplied blessings. Please tell all you know, all others, so this can help the whole world to be saved. Print out a Supreme Master TV Max card to distribute wherever you go, for example, if it is safe for you.
That kind of concentrated, huge, incredible energy will bless your home, bless your environment, your village, your town, or your city. And if many people do that, will bless your country, bless the world. Then our world will have less disasters, less war, more happiness, more intelligence, and more abundant blessings in our life. Just try it and you'll see the miracles that will happen.
To utilize this tool free of charge, please visit suprememastertv.com/max or youtube.com/@folia999/streams.
The piano is a popular percussion instrument that can play sounds from deep and low to high and bright, making it great for expressing emotions in music. It was inspired by the harpsichord after people discovered how to make the keys strike metal strings to create beautiful music. The piano works well for both solo and group performances in many styles. It's also a good instrument for learning the basics of music. Kids as young as 6 or even younger can start playing the piano since the keys are easy to press. If you want to become a musician, the piano is a fantastic place to start. The xylophone is made of wooden bars of different sizes. When you tap the bars with mallets, each one makes a different sound or pitch. Music teachers often use xylophones to help kids learn about rhythm, melody, and coordination. Even babies can enjoy playing simple notes. It helps develop hand-eye coordination and a love for music. The glockenspiel is a smaller type of xylophone, but has metal bars instead of wood. When you tap the bars with mallets, it makes bright, happy sounds, much like a music box. It's often used in orchestras to add sparkle, like in the Sorcerer's Apprentice by the French composer Paul Dukas. Similarly, the celesta looks like a small piano, but makes a soft twinkly sound, just like that of a music box. It's used in the Nutcracker Ballet to add a special touch to the music. Both the glockenspiel and celesta have a clear bell-like tone. Chimes are a set of long metal tubes. When you hit them, they ring out like church bells, making a shimmering sound. Timpani are large drums that can change pitch and are often used in orchestras to create deep booming sounds. You can change the pitch by using pedals to tighten or loosen the drum head. These drums bring exciting sounds to music, and they're really fun to play and listen to.
Vegan, respecting worldwide animal people protection laws.
Angelic viewers, let's take a moment now to relax and enjoy some uplifting music. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television for more fun percussion instruments.
Wanna kiss? That was a big kiss. Mwah! Kiss. I love you. You are a good boy. Are you sweet? Are you sweet?
Welcome back to Exploring Rhythm and Sound, percussion instruments for kids. Non-pitch percussion instruments like the snare drum, bass drum, cymbals, tambourine, maracas, and triangle are great for keeping rhythm and adding fun accents. You'll often hear them in orchestras and bands. The snare drum is like the heart of a marching band. It's a small drum that sits on a stand and is played by hitting drumsticks on the top. The bottom of the snare drum resonates when the head is hit, making a sharp, snappy sound. The snare drum is perfect for supporting orchestras with beats and adding excitement to music. The bass drum is much bigger than the snare drum. When you hit a bass drum with a soft mallet, it gives off a thundering boom. You might hear it in a parade or at a concert. The bass drum helps keep the rhythm and gives music a strong, powerful beat. Cymbals are a pair of shiny round plates made of brass. When you crash them together, they make a loud clanging or crashing sound, which is fun for adding a burst of energy and excitement to music. Pairs of cymbals are usually played together to make a huge crashing sound. However, a drummer can also use just one cymbal and hit it with a stick. The tambourine is a small drum with tiny metal jingles around the edge. When you shake or tap a tambourine, the jingles make a happy, cheerful sound. The tambourine is great for providing a beautiful rhythm to songs, especially in folk or dance music.
Peace is happening around our world.
Peace News number 120 of many and counting.
There are many countries promoting peace and fostering amity among peoples and governments. Etc.
June 2024. On the sidelines of the Global Peace Summit held in Switzerland, His Excellency Volodymyr Zelensky, President of Ukraine or Ukraine, and a Shining World Leadership for Bravery Laureate, and His Excellency Surangel Wipes Jr., President of Palau, signed a joint communique that marks the beginning of diplomatic relations between the countries. By creating peace, we all can make a loving, serene, and prosperous world.
Maracas are small instruments filled with beads or seeds. When you shake them, they make a rattling sound like the sound of rain. They're fun to play in upbeat music, especially Latin or Caribbean songs. All you need to do is shake them to the beat of the music, and you're the happiest part of the rhythm. The triangle. As its name suggests, it's a small triangular piece of metal that's tapped with a stick. Even though it looks small, the triangle makes a bright, clear, ringing sound that cuts through the music. It adds a sparkle to songs and can be heard even in big orchestras. In an orchestra, percussion instruments provide rhythm and sometimes melody, adding variety to music. They're usually placed in the back row on the conductor's left. Playing these instruments is a great way for kids to explore sounds, develop coordination, and enjoy making music.
Vegan side effects. Your house won't smell fishy, meaty.
Valued viewers, thank you for being with us during today's program. Coming up next is celebrating Vegan Moon Festival, Food Preparation with Master, Part 7 of 8, on Between Master and Disciples. May you and your loved ones enjoy the heavenly sounds of beautiful music.
Being vegan, having peace, having Godspeed.